So you keep trying to install Cats to Blender 3.6 and this happens.
Okay, so I got you. Now, I'm gonna assume you already have it installed because in order to see the error, you would have had to take the installed file and put it into Blender. So we're gonna skip right to the part where you have that. Go ahead and open up where you have it saved that or install that. And take a look at this zip. You're gonna open this up in WinRAR or 7-zip, doesn't matter. Anything you got will work. Then, come into the folder and look for init_.py. Take this and drag it to your desktop folder of your choice, does in the header. Then what you're going to do is in any program that's able to open it, is be it Notepad, I personally prefer Notepad++, what you're going to do is come all the way down here to 319, this line right here. Now you could search for it with Control-G or F, doesn't matter which, but what we're going to do is, I've already fixed it here. But what I'm going to have you do is this line of code. I'm going to put it in the description. You are going to replace exactly what's on line 319 with this, which is removing bit testing. Quotes, comma, and all. Then, once you've done that, you are going to take what you just did, save it, and then drag it back into the zip here. It's going to ask you to update. Go ahead and just click on OK. It's going to do everything else that you need it to do. Once you do that, you're going to come back into Blender here. You're going to go back to Edit, go into Preferences, go ahead and search for Tats. The one that you have installed, what you're going to want to do, click on this guy here with the drop down, remove it, and then reinstall the one that you just updated. And then go ahead and enable it. No more error. You're done. Yep, that's it. Reason why I wanted to share this is because the fix that I found was in the deep depths of Reddit, and it took me a couple of days to find it. This will save you some time. Much love.